everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create this cinematic moody portrait, one of the latest AI trends that looks just like a professional movie still. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Gemini Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app like this. And then just log in with your Google account, and once you're in, just tap on create image to access the Nano Banana. You can also access it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is Google newest AI feature that lets you edit or restyle your photo just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload the photo. Just choose the picture that you want to transform. It will work best with clear portraits where the face and lighting are visible. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And once uploaded, just type your prompt. Before, I already prepared a prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt or you can also customize it just as you like. Maybe change the woman into a man or modify the outfits and background to fit your styles. Just feel free to tweak your prompt. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments you will get your cinematic AI photo like this. Just look at that soft lighting and then motion blur and then emotional tone. It looks like straight out of a movie. And okay, that's it for today's tutorial, how to make your own cinematic moody portrait using Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!